I'm going to show you how to fix automatic repair loop problem in Windows 10. Click on Advanced option, then click on Troubleshoot, select Advanced option, then click on Command Prompt. Then type C: and hit enter. Then type dir and hit enter. Now type cd /windows/system32/config and hit enter. Then type md backup and hit enter. Now type copy *.*backup and hit enter. Then type A and hit enter. Now type cd reg back and hit enter. Then type dir and hit enter. Now type copy *.* and hit enter. Again type A and hit enter. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. Now click on continue. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.